Hi, my name is Fabian. I'm Managing Director, co-founder of eBot7, and we do artificial intelligence for customer service. The benefits are basically for our customers, B2B customers, that their customer service gets more efficient through the help of AI, which means their agents can focus on more complex tasks, they don't have as much costs and overhead in their customer service, whereas the end customers, when they request customer service, they don't have to wait in waiting lines, and they can get the customer service 24/7, which is fantastic for them.
Hey, I'm Marcel, co-founder at Toledo, and at Toledo we teach checkouts to recognize products without barcodes like fruits and vegetables.
I'm Martin, co-founder of Toledo Technology, and the advantage of our system is cutting down lines at the supermarket checkout, making your shopping experience quick and easy.
I'm Marcel, I'm from BuyBuddy. As BuyBuddy, we have developed a shopping device for retailers that allows customers to do checkout shopping, track customer behavior, count inventory, and provide item-based security systems. Benefits for the customers are they actually have a chance to have a great shopping experience in the store without even taking out their mobile phones, and they just have a great shopping experience.
At Orbi, we develop robots that fly. And in the retail space, we're delivering the capability to map your store on a daily basis. And in doing so, you can derive all kinds of intelligence about the retail environment that you're operating in.
Salomat developed machines that know to provide service for mobile lifecycle services, such as the trade-in and trade-up for mobile devices. We know to buy all devices from the customer and to provide him two options. One, to get a gift card for the store, and the second, to buy a new one from the Salomat. The benefit for the customer that we provide him a solution to sell his old mobile devices and to get a refund on the spot.
Hello, my name is Michael Walser from Pacator, and we're enabling retailers to do very fast deliveries. So if somebody orders from his couch butter for the dinner, we will make sure that the butter will be there in 2 hours. The benefits is that we have very fast deliveries for the end customer, and for our retail partners, the benefit is that they can offer services that are super convenient for their customers, which increases customer satisfaction and will lead to more profit and revenue at the end of the day.
Hi, my name is Alex Eising. I'm the founder of Livelo. And what we're doing is basically we build a fridge that is smart, intelligent, that automatically tracks, monitors, manages and sells products. So what is the advantage of that? Basically, we are providing a catering solution to companies who have 100 and plus employees, and we make sure that their favorite food, maybe salads, sandwiches, wraps, sushi, smoothies, are always delivered fresh into our fridges, and our fridges automatically sell these products to employees and customers, and yeah, it's all done automatically, so there's no one that has to stand inside the fridge to hand out the products. The benefits are multiple benefits. First of all, inexpensive. So these products, because we don't have to pay a person to stand there 24/7, we source these products in big batches, so we have affordable prices for healthy products. The second benefit is we have healthy products, because most companies do not have access to good salads or products that have clean ingredients. And the third advantage is it's very practical and quick, and it's directly on site, so you don't have to drive to the next restaurant, supermarket. You can simply go inside, go to the fridge and get something within 5 seconds. You have your favorite meal.
Hello, I'm Julien, the CEO of Mitigate. Mitigate is a startup helping companies understanding weather impact on their activities. So we help them anticipating purchase intention for their products, so they can adapt their marketing, supply, and analytics strategies in order to improve their sales and their margins. The benefit for the customers, I would say, is to have the right product on shelf at the right time or in stock, so that if you need air conditioning during a hot summer, you will have it because your brand is using our platform.